Student, today we are going to see 14th lesson. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Okay, this story means Tanaji Malusari's story. You can see in the picture of Ajay Devgan that Tanaji, the unseen warrior, isn't it? Most of the people have seen it, I think. So we are going to see the story of that Tanaji Malusari, valor of Tanaji Malusari in this lesson. Okay, first point is Jijamata wish. The 23 forts which Shivaji handed over to Jai Singh were still in the hands of the Mughal. Kondana was one of these 23 forts. Means in 12th lesson we have seen that, which was the 12th lesson, the siege of Purandar and the treaty with the Mughal emperor. So in that lesson, at the end of that lesson, we have seen that the Treaty of Purandar was signed in 1665, and Shivaji Raje signed the treaty. And according to that treaty, the 23 forts and 4 lakhs hoons, means gold coin, were handed over to the emperor. What is the name of emperor? Aurangzeb. Okay, so that treaty was signed with Shivaji Maharaj and Mirza Raje Jai Singh. So among them there was one fort, and that was Kondana Fort. So Kondana Fort, this Shivaji Maharaj again wanted it, and Jijamata also wanted it. So हमने 16 लेसन में देखा था कि जो मिर्ज़ा राजे जय सिंह के साथ शिवाजी महाराज की मीटिंग होती है, तय होता है कि वो क्या करेंगे, 23 फोर्ट्स और 4 लाख्स गोल्ड कॉइन्स उनको जो सम्राट है, मुग़ल सम्राट, उनको देने उनके वो दिए थे उन्होंने। तो उसमें जो फोर्ट दिए गए थे उसमें से एक कोंडाना फोर्ट था। तो कोंडाना फोर्ट ये बहुत मजबूत फोर्ट था और ये स्वराज्य के लिए ज़रूरी था। तो इसीलिए शिवाजी महाराज ने सोचा है कि वो फिर से हम जीत लेंगे। Next, one day Jijamata said to Shivaji, Shubha, it is not safe to leave the strong Kondana fort in enemy's hand. You must recapture it. Means you have to recapture it. We have to own it. Shivaji was thinking on the same lines. He was very unhappy that Kondana was in Mughal's hand. Both Shivaji and Jizabai Sahib were very unhappy about it. It was like a thorn in their sides. Means according to that treaty, means this Kondana fort was gone inside of that Mughal emperor, isn't it? So that is why this Shivaji Maharaj and Jizabai wanted this fort again and recapture it again. So they thought that it is not easy or correct to leave that Kondana fort in the hands of enemies और शत्रु के हाथ में ऐसा जो किला है, मजबूत किला, वो रहना अच्छी बात नहीं है। तो इसीलिए हमें वो जीतना चाहिए। तो उन्होंने अभी वो सोच रहे हैं कि हम कोंडाना किला जो है वो फिर से वापस जीत लेंगे। शिवाजी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग हिज प्लान्स फॉर द रिकैप्चर ऑफ कोंडाना। Who could be entrusted with this task? It was very difficult to capture Kondana. Means Shivaji was again started to thinking about how we have to win this Kondana fort, as well as who would be able to win this कोंडाना. सो शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या शुरू किया है, प्लानिंग शुरू किया है कि कोंडाना किला हम कैसे हमारे कब्जे में ले ले। और कोंडाना किला कौन ले सकता है, उस लड़ाई के लिए कौन, यानी किसको हम वो लड़ाई करने के लिए भेजें, इसके बारे में वो सोच रहे हैं। तानाजी मालुसरी, Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade. Comrade means partner, friend. Okay, from childhood, Tanaji Malusari and Shivaji Maharaj both together. Right from the beginning, he came from the village Umrate near Mahad in the Konkan. Means Konkan के महाड़ में जो उमरते गांव हैं, उस गांव से ये तानाजी मालुसरे थे। He was ever ready to put his heart and soul into any work assigned to him by शिवाजी। यानी शिवाजी महाराज ने जो भी उनको काम देते थे वो पूरी जिम्मेदारी के साथ करते थे। तानाजी was strong and well built and as clever as he was brave, means he was very strong person, isn't it? That valor, that bravery we have seen in the picture, that Tanaji the unsung warrior. Okay, दैट इज़ द अजय देवगन्स पिक्चर. आप लोगों ने, बहुत सारे लोगों ने वो पिक्चर देखा होगा कि अजय देवगन ने तानाजी मालुसरे का कैरेक्टर उसमें किया है. तो उसमें हमने देखा है कि कैसे शौर्य के साथ वो अपने शिवाजी के लिए, स्वराज्य के लिए लड़ते हैं और अपने प्राणों का बलिदान देते हैं. Kondana's marriage first. Next point is Kondana's marriage first. Tanaji was busy making preparation for his. So we are going to see on the next page. So Tanaji Malusare was busy in the son Raiba's wedding. Everyone in the house was busy with the marriage preparation. The marriage was only 4 days away. Tanaji thought that he would go and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib to the wedding. Accompanied by Shilar Mama, he went to Shivaji Maharaj to give him and Ma Sahib his personal invitation to the wedding. So, we have seen that how any for marriage, that people of both bridegroom and bride, they are busy in the preparation of marriage before some days of that marriage, isn't it? So same way this Tanaji Malusare was also very busy for the preparation of that his son's marriage. So for marriage ceremony we always give the invitation to our relatives or friends and respectable known people, isn't it? So same way this Tanaji Malusare also decided to give invitation to the Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib. So when they went to give that invitation, that time what happened we are going to see. ओके जब इनविटेशन देते हैं शिवाजी महाराज को और माँ साहेब को, तब वो क्या बोलते हैं देखते हैं. ऑन रिसीविंग द इन्विटेशन फ्रॉम शेलार मामा, शिवाजी सेड, शेलार मामा यू गो बैक एंड सेलिब्रेट द वेडिंग. आई एम सॉरी आई शैल बी अनेबल टू अटेंड. आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू लीड द कैंपेन फॉर द रिकैप्चर ऑफ कोंडाना. मीन्स शिवाजी महाराज told to the शेलार मामा that कि I am not able to attend the marriage because I am going to lead to the task of that recapture of कोंडाना. तो शिवाजी महाराज बोलते हैं कि मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाऊँगा ये मैरिज क्योंकि मैं अभी कोंडाना किला जीतने के लिए जा रहा हूँ. Next paragraph. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, Maharaj, do you purpose to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive? Then what is the use of persons like me? Means Tanaji Malusari said that it is not right way to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign, isn't it? So because we have to go, means it is not easy and it is not right way to go. You and alone you have to fight with enemy because we are here, and before you it's our responsibility to go and fight with the enemy. So it is not correct to go and fight with the enemies and to recapture the कोंडाना. We are alive, यानी कि हम जिंदा है, तो जब तक हम हैं तब तक आप ऐसे जो टास्क है उनके जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले सकते हैं. देन व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ पर्सन लाइक मी. तो हम लोगों की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होगी अगर आप ऐसे युद्ध के लिए तैयारी करेंगे और युद्ध खुद करेंगे. ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हमें आपसे पहले हम लड़ेंगे. This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it. Raiba's wedding can wait. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessing for its success. Means आप मुझे आशीर्वाद दो कि मैं ये पहले कोंडाना किले की जो लड़ाई है वो मैं करूँगा और बाद में रायबा का जो विवाह है और शादी है वो देखेंगे. Tanaji's plan. With these words, Tanaji took charge of campaign and left for the Kondana. So means he had taken the responsibility or task of recapture Kondana. The fort was then under the immediate control of Uday Bhan, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Uday Bhan was a disciplined and vigilant officer, means he was cruel as well as he was disciplined officer. There were two entrants. So we have seen in that picture also how he was disciplined and cruel person.